now envelope feedback technique, the last one. So in envelope feedback, you see it is having both feed forward and feedback loop. Okay, so the idea is to attenuate the output by alpha. So take the output, reduce by alpha. You take the envelope and compare the envelope of input and output and give it to the error amplifier. So it is just like take the input, find the envelope, take the output, find the envelope, and then compare both. If there is error, change the power amplifier parameters here. Illana, this will work like a normal power amplifier. So with the high loop gain, A and B are, if the signals are identical, A and B are identical, then the output of this amplifier is going to be 0, and this amplifier will work like a normal amplifier. So this is one example where you are having both feed forward. This is your feed forward path, and this is your feedback path. Ultimately, both are being compared. So if the comparison is subtraction. If A and B are same now, A minus B is 0, so nothing will go to the amplifier. If A and B difference is having some value, that will drive your amplifier. So that is all about power amplifiers. So power amplifiers, very interesting technique. We have a very interesting technique, and some of the methods to make the linearization also we have studied. All are very basic techniques only. The only block diagram, nothing specific to circuits you have in these topics. So now we'll go to feedback